Hi everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. If you're new here, my name is Taha and I'm here to share insights, tips, and strategies to help you crush it in the startup world. Today we're diving into a hot topic, secrets to making money fast with your startup. While building a business is a marathon, not a sprint, there are proven strategies to generate revenue quickly without cutting corners. So grab a pen and take notes because this is going to be a game changer. The first secret is solving a burning problem. Look around and ask, what's a problem people are desperate to solve? The bigger and more urgent the problem, the faster people are willing to pay for a solution. For example, during the pandemic, companies that addressed remote work or health concerns thrived because the need was immediate. Find a niche market, listen to your audience, and tailor your product or service to meet their pressing needs. When you focus on providing real value, the money will follow. The second secret? Start lean and test fast. You don't need a perfect product to start making money. Launch a minimum viable product, MVP, something simple that solves the problem, and get it into the hands of customers quickly. Use their feedback to refine and improve. Platforms like Gumroad or Kickstarter allow you to validate your idea and even generate pre-sales before you've fully developed your product. This approach saves you time and money while helping you start generating revenue from day one. The third secret is mastering sales. You might have the best product in the world, but if you can't sell it, it won't matter. Learn to communicate your value proposition clearly. Why should someone buy from you? How will your product improve their life or solve their problem? Leverage social proof, testimonials, case studies, or reviews to build trust. And don't forget to follow up. Many deals are closed after the third or fourth touch point, so persistence pays off. Next up, go digital. Use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube to showcase your product. Short, engaging videos work wonders to attract attention and convert viewers into customers. Run targeted ads to reach your ideal audience. Tools like Facebook Ads Manager or Google Ads allow you to spend a little and get a lot if you're strategic. Don't underestimate email marketing either. It's still one of the most cost-effective ways to nurture leads and drive sales. So there you have it. Solve a burning problem. Start lean and test fast. Master the art of sales. Leverage digital marketing. Success doesn't come overnight, but these strategies will accelerate your path to making money fast while building a sustainable business. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Startup Sparks, and let me know in the comments which tip you're excited to try. Until next time, keep sparking those startup ideas.